The last thing I will add in this, given that this is a strange virtual world in which we are currently operating, you may feel, in fact, there's been many articles written, how do you respond when you feel like you've bombed in an interview? How do you respond when you feel like you perhaps have, and it's going to be hard to think this may be the case, but bombed in a chat session, right? Remember who it was that you chatted with. That's the thing that I would offer. Remember who it was that you chatted with, okay? And in doing so, see if there's ways you can follow up with them after the fact. Again, don't be presumptuous, don't be annoying, but I would phrase it this way: be professionally persistent. And if you know who it was specifically, with the person with whom you were speaking or chatting in this virtual setting, perhaps you might want to get on LinkedIn. And perhaps you might want to send them a quick note and say, hey, I just wanted to follow up. I had a really great time, albeit short, had a really great time connecting and chatting with you during the virtual career fair through Harvey Mudd and Caltech the other day. Thank you so much for your time. I look forward to our continued conversations and what the future may hold with opportunities that come down the road. Okay, so there's lots of great things, but ultimately, if you have questions, make sure to see the Office of Career Services and seek them out for support. Okay, they will have lots of great advice and support to offer you. So I hope that you have found a bit of this to be valuable. It's another person's perspective from outside the college. You are some exceptional students, and so I hope that you are encouraged, even in the midst of some challenges, to go forth and make the most of these virtual career fairs to provide opportunities for you upon graduation.